Everyone all want to save the and protect the earth, make it more clean. Here are some said that you can save the environment on Earth Day. We should use less water and try to drink tap water instead of bottled water. So you aren't wasting your money or water bottle. You should walk or ride your bike to work, school, or anywhere you can. Don't drive car because car exhaust is really bad for everyone. And we need to throw trash in right place. Last one is turning off all electrical to save energy. We need to plant more trees because trees clean out air and create oxygen. This is a great way to against the pollution of our environment.